The Public Attorney's Office. As mandated, the Public Attorney's Office shall be the principal law office of the government extending free legal assistance to indigent persons. It is an independent and autonomous office that renders free of charge legal representation, assistance, and counseling to indigent persons in criminal, civil, labor, administrative, and other quasi-judicial cases. More particularly, in southwestern Tagalog region, the PAO has extended its free legal services through its 14 district offices and 1 regional office. The regional office is at Calapan City, Oriental Mindoro, with its satellite office in Diliman, Quezon City. In Oriental Mindoro, there are 3 district offices, among which are Calapan City District Office, Pinamalayan District Office, and Rojas District Office. In Occidental Mindoro, 2 district offices, Mamburao District Office and San Jose District Office. In Marinduque, there are also 2 district offices, among which are Santa Cruz District Office, Boac District Office. In Romblon, there are 3 district offices, Romblon District Office, Kahidjokan District Office, and Odjongan District Office. And finally, Palawan, which consists of Puerto Princesa District Office, Coron District Office, and Brooks Point District Office. PAO Mimaropa has zealously extended its free legal services to every Mimaropans. Katarungan laban sa kahirapan and service with a smile. These statements fully embody the Public Attorney's Office mandate, vision, mission, and service pledge. Further, these statements guide every public attorney in PAO Mimaropa to champion the rights of every human through prompt, competent, reliable, and excellent free legal services to indigents and other qualified persons. More particularly, during the present term of President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr., the Public Attorney's Office remains steadfast in continuously providing free legal assistance to indigent persons and qualified individuals availing the services of the PAO. The Public Attorney's Office has 7 core processes, among which are 1. Legal counseling, 2. Representation in judicial and quasi-judicial agencies, 3. Documentation and administration of oaths, 4. Mediation and conciliation, 5. Custodial and inquest assistance, 6. Legal information dissemination and outreach activities, and 7. Jail visitation. Now we discuss the major accomplishments and highlights in PAO Mimaropa during PBBM's term. Per data taken, PAO Mimaropa has indeed reached a milestone during the current administration. As recorded, starting from June 2022 up to June 2024, the following numbers reflect the performance of PAO Mimaropa in serving all its qualified clienteles. For the cases received in judicial and quasi-judicial agencies, PAO Mimaropa received 46,001 cases. As regards the scheduled hearings, all the public attorneys in PAO Mimaropa attended 62,768 hearings. On the other hand, as to the pleadings prepared, PAO Mimaropa recorded 31,422 pleadings filed. As for the numbers of clients assisted in compromise agreements, 3,073. For those cases which needs to be transmitted for appeal, 186 cases. As regards the number of clienteles assisted in mediation and conciliation, 5,002. Moving on, as for those who were assisted during inquest and custodial investigation proceedings, 3,548. Significantly, A large number reaching up to 254 and 37 clients were assisted with regard to oath administration. Additionally, PAO Mimaropa reached beyond the target of 390 barangay outreach activities by actually conducting 916 barangay outreach activities and information dissemination for the past 2 years. Similarly, PAO Mimaropa overcame 936 jail visitations by conducting 6,161 actual jail visitations. As for legal counseling, PAO Mimaropa served 359 and 971 clients, consisting mainly of walk-in clients, and 2,340 clients who course their legal concern through mail matters, electronic mail, and other means of communications. And to cap things off, PAO Mimaropa has recorded 5,649 releases of persons deprived of liberties. These releases consist of acquittals, dismissals with prejudice, provisional dismissals, reduction of their bail bond, and recognizance. Significant increase in the appointments of lawyers and staff was seen, making the services of the PAO Mimaropa more efficient. More indigent persons turn to PAO for legal assistance, to which PAO Mimaropa promptly responds. The Public Attorney's Office Mimaropa promptly responds to endorsements and referrals by the Office of the President and the Presidential Complaint Centers, making the concept of justice and fair play be felt immediately by every Mimaropans. PAO Mimaropa actively participated in the Love for All caravan, spearheaded by our emphatic First Lady, Luis Lisa Araneta Marcos. The Public Attorney's Office, Calapan City District, together with all its public attorneys, with the Regional Public Attorney, joined the caravan last March 9 and 10, 2024. Said event was held at the Oriental Mindoro National High School. The two-day event showcased how PAO Mimaropa plays a significant role in the lives of every indigent and qualified individuals in the region. Such event made the services of the PAO more accessible. During the term of PBBM, the jail visitation of each public attorney became more frequent, requiring each of them to conduct a once-a-week jail visitation and precinct visit in the places designated to each one of them. This paved way to easier assistance to those persons deprived of liberties. Additionally, the core competency of outreach activity significantly increased. Now, each district office is mandated to conduct at least once a month barangay outreach activity, so that those individuals who cannot visit the physical office of the district office may still enjoy the free legal assistance of the PAO. As regards representation in judicial agencies, an increase in the hearing dates are also felt, with the added appointment of several judges spread throughout the region. Though the region has not yet reached the ideal period to which trial must ensue and be terminated, an increase in the trial schedules is observed. As regards the human resources, PAO Mimaropa has 63 district public attorneys serving 77 courts comprising of 21 RTCs, 9 family courts, 22 MTCs, 21 MCTCs, and 4 MTCCs. In all, the PAO Mimaropa consistently championed the rights of every person found in the southwestern Tagalog region. Once more, the tagline "Katarungan laban sa kahirapan" serves as a guide in making the legal services of the PAO transformative. At the end of each day, each public attorney hopes to impart at least a scintilla of hope for every Filipino. A hope for a new kind of government, a new kind of system, a new kind of leadership.